Learn the secrets of becoming a millionaire. With hard work, discipline, and smart financial decisions, you can achieve your financial goals. Our step-by-step guide will teach you how to become a millionaire and stay on track for long-term success. Setting a financial goal can help you to stay on track and motivated. Learn how to decide how much you want to earn and by when, so you can make the most of your hard work. Get started today and take control of your future. Get the budget you need to stay on track and reach your financial goals. Create a budget with our easy-to-use tools and resources. Track your income and expenses, make sure you're spending less than you earn, and start saving further. Investing can be an effective way to reach your financial goals. Take the first step by setting aside a portion of your income each month and investing it in a portfolio that reflects your risk tolerance and time horizon. Grow your wealth with the help of. Maximize your potential with our comprehensive guide to creating new income streams. We provide you with tips and tricks to help you find opportunities to start earning more money, along with advice on how to make the most of those opportunities. Start exploring your options today. Stay disciplined and take control of your finances. Avoid impulsive purchases, stick to your budget, and contain your spending with our easy-to-use tools. Get started today and start saving money tomorrow. Get professional financial advice to help you make the best decisions for your investments, retirement plans, and other important financial goals. Connect with an experienced financial advisor to get tailored advice that meets your individual needs. Becoming a millionaire is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work and dedication to achieve this goal. Learn how to invest wisely, plan ahead, and stay disciplined to build wealth over time with our tips and resources for